Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the second Cloudscape Brazil. While we are freezing in the autumn of the north, you are now enjoying the late spring of the southern hemisphere. Indeed, our planet is long and vast, and science benefits from the diversity that can be found on Earth. Cloudscape has been organized on the remit of the EU-Brazil Cloud Connect project, which has been funded following the outcome of the second EU-Brazil coordinated call. In the 21st century, science is crucial for human development and economic growth. The European Commission is actively connecting scientists through the European Union. Since 2010, we have launched 3 coordinated calls with Brazil, and these have allowed extending the cooperation to both sides of the Atlantic. Brazil and the European Union are today long-standing partners in research and innovation. The European Commission is actively connecting scientists throughout the European Union. Since 2010, we have launched 3 coordinated calls with Brazil, and these have allowed extending the cooperation to both sides of the Atlantic. Brazil and the European Union are today long-standing partners in research and innovation. Our relationship has been very fruitful and will be even more in our coming future. What is more, this collaboration is resulting in actions which will positively impact far more than the EU and Brazil. The new fiber optic cable linking Portugal and Brazil will connect the whole Latin America and Europe. This increased availability capacity will lead to more and better cooperation between the 2 regions, with the research and education networks Red Clara and Gion between the first to assist. EU-Brazil Cloud Connect has been a cloud pioneer of our transatlantic cooperation, and today is not alone. The 3rd coordinated call has increased the number of projects to a critical mass of joint EU-Brazil initiatives focused on cloud computing. There are now 3 new projects and nearly 40 organizations actively cooperating in this field. This demonstrates the wisdom taken by the EU-Brazil dialogue in 2013 to define the topics to be covered. I therefore encourage EU-Brazil CC partners to join forces with EU-Brazil Cloud Forum, Secure Cloud, and EU-BRABIC-C to put forward a name for the EU-Brazil Cloud Forum Advisory Board and to continue contributing to the strengthening of the EU-Brazil cooperation on cloud computing. All of you are gathered to share insights on EU and Brazilian cooperation activities, to showcase cloud user stories from both regions and to highlight how cloud-federated infrastructures are enabling researchers take major societal challenges. Cloud computing has a big potential for bringing innovation and revitalizing the European industry. Open exchanges are necessary for developing new ideas and building consensus on how cloud services can help researchers and business activities. Cloudscape Brazil will evolve precisely these discussions during today and tomorrow's stimulating discussions. Finally, let me thank the hosts of this event, RMP, the Brazilian Research and Education Network, which has played an active role in the coordinated calls and is facilitating the joint efforts in science. I look forward to a successful Cloudscape in Brazil and will read with interest the outcomes of the discussions and the major takeaways from the 2 days.